Hey everyone, today I'm going to break down the exact steps you need to take to go from zero to millionaire. This isn't some pie in the sky dream, it's actionable, tangible steps that you can start applying right now. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, mindset is everything. You have to believe that becoming a millionaire is possible for you. Visualize it, affirm it, and most importantly, work for it. Successful people often talk about the power of positive thinking, and it's true. If you don't believe it, you won't achieve it. Now let's talk about goals. You need to set clear, achievable goals. Start with small, short-term goals and gradually move to bigger ones. Write them down and review them daily. This keeps you focused and motivated. Next up, education. Invest in yourself by learning about personal finance, investing, and business. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow successful entrepreneurs. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the more you grow. One critical step is to create multiple streams of income. Don't rely on just one source of income, whether it's a side hustle, investments, or passive income streams. Diversifying your income can accelerate your path to wealth. Speaking of income, let's not forget about saving and investing. Save at least 20% of your income and invest it wisely. Stocks, real estate, and mutual funds are great options. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Networking is another powerful tool. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals and successful people. Join networking groups, attend seminars, and don't be afraid to reach out to mentors. Your network can open doors you never knew existed. Then there's the concept of working smart, not just hard. Automation and delegation are your friends. Use technology to automate repetitive tasks and delegate what you can. This frees up your time to focus on what really matters. Don't forget to take calculated risks. Every successful entrepreneur has taken risks to get where they are. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Sometimes the biggest rewards come from the biggest risks. Lastly, stay persistent. The road to becoming a millionaire is not a straight line. It's full of ups and downs. Stay committed to your goals, keep learning from your mistakes, and never give up. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. So there you have it. Change your mindset, set goals, educate yourself, diversify your income, save, and invest. Network, work smart, take risks, and stay persistent. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a millionaire. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom. See you next time.